Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2019 Kawasaki Z400 ABS. This is the Naked Ninja, twin cylinder 400 liquid cooled fuel injected, lightweight naked sport bike. Fantastic condition, just acquired with only 1,168 miles. Beautiful matte black and metallic red paint scheme. Make your motorcycle dreams come true. Save over $1,000 off the new price. This one's only $45.99. No freight and setup. Come by, check it out, makes an offer. If we can do it, we will. We have financing. We have extended service contracts. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful, clean, used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.